Hi, good afternoon, dear friends. This is Kasimappa, Assistant Mathematics Teacher from SVEM School, Harginmarakam. Dear students, this is class 4 for the 6th standard, second chapter, that is whole numbers. Dear students, already we have learned in this chapter whole numbers by using the commutative property on whole numbers, closure property on whole numbers, and associative property on whole numbers. These things we have studied. In our today class, we have to discuss about the identity. Yes, multiplicative identity. This is the first content in our class. First content is multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Yes, you can ask now, sir, what do you mean by multiplicative? Multiplicative identity means, generally you know that multiplicative means multiplication. Identity means, this word identity means one. Identity means one. Then dear students, so for example, I want to prove this multiplicative identity is nothing but it is a 1. If any number, if we multiplied with 1, we are again getting that same number. Yes, let us see dear. Suppose example 1 dear students. Yes, 2 into 1 is equals to 1. Sorry, 2. Sorry ma. Yes, this is 2. Because 2 into 1 is equal to 1. 2. Why? Here, this 2, that number, if I multiplied with 1, again we are getting that 2. Suppose example 2 dears. Yes, 25 is a number. If I multiplied with 1, I am again getting that 25 itself only. Example 3 dear, suppose 119 into 1 if I multiply. Again I want to get here 119. Not only positive numbers dear student, you should remember. Yes, especially in the case of your chapter whole number, that's why I am taking only examples for positive integers. Because there is no availability of negative integers in whole number set. You can also take, if you can take example 4 here, suppose minus 9 into 1 is equals to minus into plus minus, again 9 ones are 9. Yes, if I multiplied minus 9 with 1, I am getting again minus 9. Yes, example 5 dear children, suppose 2459 into 1, I will again getting that same 2459 itself only. Why? Because 1 is the multiplicative identity. If any number multiplied with 1, again we are getting that same number. This is all regarding to the multiplicative identity. If, let us see dears, not only numbers here, if I take variables also, if I take variable a, suppose a is a variable, we know that. If I multiplied a this with 1, I am again getting a into 1 means itself a. Not only a, you can take from a to z. If you multiplied with 1, again you are getting that same alphabet what you were multiplied before. This is the rule of multiplicative identity. My dear children, you should remember which is the multiplicative identity in the mathematics. If they can ask anybody, you too. What can you say? Yes, 1 is the multiplicative identity in the mathematics. Let us see dear children. Yes, second content, that is 0. Additive identity. Yes, additive identity. Yes, second content is additive, yes, additive identity. Yes, dear children, here also 0 we can call additive identity. Yes, suppose example 1, yes, if I add 0 plus 2, can we getting 0? Is it right? No. Here we are adding this number 2 with 0 means we are again getting that same number, that is 2. Example 2, dears. Suppose 3 plus 0 is equals to 3 itself only. Suppose example 3, dears. 100 plus 0, you are getting again 100. Example 4, dears. Yes, 4557 plus 0, we are again getting 4557 itself only, dear children. Suppose example, yes, example 5, dear children. Suppose, yes, 19,459 plus 0, you are getting same 19,459 itself only. What is that? Additive identity. 0 is the additive identity. If I add any number with 0, you are getting that same number what you are added. This is the additive identity, dear children. Let us see. If I multiply examples, I will take a random examples for multiplicative identity and additive identity. Yes. Yes, some basic information, dear friends. This is example 1. See, 2 into 0. If I take 2 into 0, what is answer? 2 into 0, 0. Then example 3, example 2, dears. Yes, 19 into 0, answer is 0. Answer is 0. Example 3, yes, 239 into 0, answer is 0. Example 4, yes, 4557 into 0, answer is 0. What is that suggested? What that suggested you? Here, if you multiply any number with 0, answer is always 0. The product of any number with 0, answer is 0. This is the basic concept, dear children. Which is multiplicative identity, which is additive identity. With that also, if we multiplied any number with 0, what we are getting? This is very important, yes friends. Yes, we can say that this rule, the product of any numbers with 0, answer is 0. The product means into. The product of any number with 0, yes, with 0, that, yes, that answer is also, the answer is 0. The answer is 0, dear children. You should remember, this is very important concept. Okay, I think which is multiplicative identity, which is additive identity. With that also, the product of any number with a 0. These things we have discussed. With that also, yes, one more important thing, that is, suppose example 5. Yes, 0 by 2. Answer is always 0. The division of 0 by any number is also 0. The product of any number with 0 is answer 0. With that also, here if I divide 0 by any number, answer is always 0. Yes, example 6, dear. Suppose 0 by 6 is 0. Example 7, yes, 999. Yes, 0 by 999, answer is 0. Any number, 0 by any number, 0 as numerator, then you are taking that number, that will be denominator. If 0 is in the place of numerator, then in the denominator part, whatever number it may be 10, 20, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh together, whatever it may be. If 0 in the numerator part, that answer is also automatically 0. Okay, dear children, I think this is understood you. With this, your whole number chapter is completed. I will provide you, dear students, notes, everyone exercise problems 2.1, 2.2. Then I will provide you in the group. Don't worry about this. Thanking you all. Bye.